Hey, I'm Wilder Herms. I'm from Orbital Studios. I'm here at SIGGRAPH 2024, showing off Unreal Engine and how powerful this Dell workstation is. We've got Blender, Live Link, virtual camera going into Unreal, and our demo reel, which is a 5K video, all playing on the same system. And we're happy to be here so we can show this off. There've already been a ton of people coming up interested and wanting to see how this works, and we're happy to share virtual production as much as we can with anybody who wants to get into it or wants to be more connected with us. So it's a great opportunity, and we've met a lot of great people here. It's been a great time. Anyone who wants to know more about Orbital Studios, we're at orbitalvs.com, and we're in downtown LA in the Arts District.